Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. So the next item is on the forms of fractions. Now 1 and 1/4 subtracted from its reciprocal is A. Negative 9 over 20, B. 0.45, C. 2.25, D. 9 over 20, and E. Negative 1/5. So, to answer this question po, dapat alam po natin ano pong ibig sabihin ng 1 and 1/4. And then the idea of reciprocal and this word from. Because it's very important that we also learn po or alam natin paano mag-translate ng statement into a question. Now, this fraction is in the form of a mixed fraction. It's called mixed kasi nga po, meron tayong integer and we have here a fraction. To make it easier for us to find the reciprocal and later on of course to operate the process, dapat i-convert muna natin siya sa kanyang equivalent na improper fraction. Because mixed fraction is a result if we don't like looking at improper fraction. Improper means yung numerator is greater than our denominator po. So to convert this on from mixed to our improper fraction, multiply that 4 times 1 and then plus 1. So you have here 5 over the same denominator 4. So this is the mixed, this is the improper. We use this po kasi mas madali pong mahanap yung reciprocal nito. Kasi nga po, it's difficult to have the reciprocal of this. Baka yung iba sa atin ang gagawin, 1 and then 4 over 1. Kasi na-reciprocal yung fraction. Di po pwede yan po. We need to convert this muna on the mixed and to get its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 5/4 is when we interchange our numerator and denominators respectively. So this is its reciprocal po. Again, 5/4, that's the value of 1 and 1/4. Its reciprocal is 4/5. Now, before we could subtract, to which ito po yung instruction niya, napakahalaga po ng term na from. Pag sinabi pong from, di po pwedeng ganito. Mali po yan. Okay? Di po pwedeng ganyan. Kasi pag sinabi natin from, it's taken from this number. Okay? Like say for example, I will remove or I will subtract 10 from 2. Di po pwede na 10 minus 2 yan. Kasi nga po, I will subtract 10 from 2. It will be 2 minus 10. So ito po yung from. So ibig sabihin nito, it's not the direct subtraction, but it would be like this. This is the reciprocal of 5/4, which is the 1 and 1/4, and you will subtract 1 and 1/4 or 5/4 from this. Okay? So we are doing that now. Now from here, before tayo mag-subtract, tingnan niyo po mabuti. Okay? Kasi pwede naman tayong mag-direct na cancellation. Not of these numbers, but of the options. Take note that 4/5 is smaller than 1. 5/4 is larger than 1 kasi nga 1 and 1/4. So once we have subtraction, automatic po, drop your B, drop your C, and drop your D. Why? It's because we are expecting that our result is really a negative answer. Because we are subtracting po 5/4 which is larger than our 4/5 kanina. So, expected na po yung negative. So, it's only A and E. Now, I would like you to see here two methods. The two methods is of course the use of LCD. The least common denominator of 5 and 4 which is 20. And then we come up with equivalent fractions. So, 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 4, 16. You would know this is correct because 16 divided by 20, that's its lowest term. Then 20 divided by 4 is actually 5 times 5. So you have here 25. The operation is subtraction. So once we do that, the numerator is 20. 16 minus 25 is negative 9 over 20. This is actually what is our A. And that's our answer here. Our answer for this item is negative 9 over 20, and it's already in its simplest form. The other method is actually the use of the butterfly method. This is actually a technique that some of us are using. Here is how it's done. Multiply these two. Okay, I'm gonna erase that, sorry. I'm going to use a different color for emphasis. Okay, so I'm going to use pen, and my color would be green. So multiply this. 4 times 4, 16. Multiply that. 5 times 5, 25. It's called butterfly method because it looks like a butterfly. The operation is minus, so minus pa rin yan. Denominator natin, multiply this. 5 times 4, 20. This is often used if we have problems po in looking for LCD and getting equivalent fractions. Pero pag confident naman kayo nito, then proceed. Okay? And this is also will get the same result. Again, it is called butterfly method because it looks like a butterfly. Nevertheless, our answer for this item is negative 9 over 20, and that's letter A. We used here the concepts of different forms of fractions. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!